All right, practice problem 4. My table's sloppy, but yours will be fixed. I apologize. Practice problem 2, sorry. We need to find the initial value, and then we're going to graph it to make sure we did it correctly. So first, we need the slope. So I don't like the negatives, so I'm going to use the last 2 points. So x1, y1, x2, y2. So mine's going to be 5 minus 3 over 5 minus 3, which is 2 over 2, or 1. My slope is 1. So initial value, formula, b is y minus the slope times the x. I'm going to pick the last point for my x and my y. So y is 5 minus the slope, which is 1, times the x, which is 5. This gives me 5 minus 1 times 5 is 5. So that's 0. We haven't had that before. So my y-intercept is 0. That means when x is 0, y is 0. So my graph should be going through this point, the origin, if I did this correctly. So let's graph it and see. -3, -3. 1, 1, 3, 3, and 5. So when I connect these points, you can see we did it correctly. So you can see we did it correctly because it is crossing our y-axis. I'll put it in red again. My blue line crosses the y-axis at 0 at the origin, which is exactly what our initial value said it would do. So the initial value is when x is 0, what is y? It's the b value, it's the y-intercept. Those are all ways to say the same thing, and in this problem, it is 0.